Looking for a straightforward way to boost your income online in 2024? This video has the solution. Discover how you can earn up to $420 per day by typing names. No experience required, just a computer, internet connection, and a bit of creativity. Dive into this opportunity now and unlock the secret website that compensates you for this simple task. With the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, it's a hassle-free way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Tune in and start your journey to financial freedom today.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Let's delve into the intricacies of each page, starting with the initial project page, followed by the second page, and then the third. Each of these pages offers a wealth of information, totaling approximately 300 words per page. It's crucial to highlight the earning potential tied to inputting names. Allow us to introduce you to a remarkable platform where you can earn $3 to $6 for crafting 300-word articles. As you navigate through the platform, you'll come across a list of 300 words worth of names. Remarkably, you can earn $6 by simply typing these names on the website I'll be showing you later. With the ability to complete up to 50 pages daily, the potential to earn becomes even more enticing. Imagine you could potentially pocket a substantial daily income of up to $300 or even $400 by dedicating your time to this straightforward task. Now, let's shift our focus to an exciting opportunity awaiting you at talentdesire.com. This website opens the doors to a plethora of online work opportunities, all from the comfort of your own home and without requiring any financial investment upfront. This unique opportunity eliminates the need for an initial capital investment, making it accessible to everyone. As you explore the platform, you'll discover an array of work-from-home options, ranging from online proofreading and freelance blogging to language translation and online surveys. However, our spotlight in this video will shine brightly on online typing jobs, which offer simplicity and accessibility without the need for prior experience or technical know-how. It's truly remarkable how the digital landscape has transformed the way we work, offering flexibility and opportunities for individuals to earn a living remotely. With platforms like talentdesire.com, the possibilities are endless, allowing you to carve out a niche for yourself in the online realm. This page provides information about an online typing job that offers the potential for annual earnings ranging from $13,500 to $27,000. It presents a fantastic opportunity for individuals worldwide to generate income. When it comes to fees and joining, it's important to highlight that registration is entirely free. There are no hidden charges before or after you register your account, and you won't ever be asked for any financial contributions. This opportunity is accessible to people around the globe. Your compensation depends on your skill level, ranging from beginners to experts. We'll soon reveal an additional insider tip that can enhance your earnings. Even someone new to the field has the chance to earn at an advanced level, and we'll share this strategy with you shortly, keeping it exclusive to your knowledge.
Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Now, we're excited to share the first bonus tip, which can significantly boost your earning potential through online name entry. Your journey begins at raditype.com, the central hub of this website where you can take a free typing test. To kick things off, simply click on the big yellow icon. This click will whisk you away to a page where you can start your typing session, whether you're using a mobile device or a computer. It's highly recommended that you complete this test because obtaining a typing certificate can greatly enhance your earnings per page. Let's break it down. Imagine you want to earn $6 for each page typed. Having a certificate becomes crucial in achieving this goal. Here's the golden nugget. Possessing a certificate that validates your typing skills can fast-track your progress and lead to higher-paying tasks and endless career opportunities. As a result, you could potentially rake in up to $300 or even $400 daily just by inputting names. As you start typing on this page, your words per minute rate and accuracy will be tracked in real time. So it's crucial to stay focused to learn exactly how to obtain the certificate and apply it on talentdesire.com. To maximize your earnings, aim for an accuracy rate between 95 and 100%, regardless of any spelling or typing errors. The higher your accuracy, the more you can earn. Taking a typing test and securing a certificate from this website allows you to showcase your typing speed and accuracy, which can quickly escalate your pay rate. Let us guide you through the process of completing these tests swiftly and obtaining your certificate, all in less than 5 minutes, using a real-world example. Once you finish the typing test, your typing speed will be displayed below. These are our actual results. Even if your typing speed or accuracy falls below 90%, you can return to raditype.com and retake the free typing tests until you improve. Once you have your results, scroll down and register for your free account. Setting up this account is a breeze. Click the link to create a free account, then input your name, email address, and password. Agree to the terms and conditions and click the yellow sign up button. After registration, log into your Raditype account, where you'll see your name showcased on the dashboard alongside your typing speed. Keep scrolling to find your certificate. Click on it to access a page confirming that it was awarded to you for your proficiency in typing and English, complete with the signature from raditype.com. This certificate holds significant value in validating your typing skills and can lead to higher earnings. Now, let's delve into how to register, apply, and kickstart your typing jobs on talentdesire.com. Head over to talentdesire.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and hit the red Apply Now button. You'll be directed to a page where the application process begins. Scroll further to find the Select an Application Form section, then click the red link to proceed to the online application for work-from-home jobs. At the bottom of this page, locate the Apply and Work for Us link and fill in your personal information, agreeing to the privacy policy as the first step. Enter your first and last name, email address, and phone number. They welcome individuals from around the world, including India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, and more. Proceed to the next step. This section focuses on your professional information and is often misunderstood. Enter your job title exactly as shown, followed by selecting the appropriate format. You have the freedom to choose any time frame, but all day is recommended as it provides more opportunities for earning. Choose the payment method that suits you best, whether PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Select your current professional status. For example, you can select self-employed. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Continue, then check the declaration box. Add your signature, enter your full name, click I am not a robot, and finally hit the Submit button. Upon acceptance, you can start receiving typing jobs similar to the one described, earning $6 for just 300 words. Remember, timely submission is crucial for securing continuous daily assignments.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.